Hi, John Ozzie, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Shedrens. Shedrens has been trading with us from the 15th of May 2021 up until the present day of 9th of June 2021. Reviewing this account, we can see a daily gain of 0.39%, a monthly gain of 12.42%, and a drawdown of 2.06%. Shedrens is managing $30,000 and this is the journey. Scrolling down, looking at the amount of trades taken, we can see Shedrens taking 113 trades in total, with an advanced statistics showing us the amount of times this trade has been successful. So out of 113 trades, this trader has won 91 trades, which represents an 81% gain. And this trader's lost 22 out of 113 trades, which represents 19% loss rate. So this is a very good attempt. Congratulations on reaching your 10%. Looking at the summary of trades, we can see the most successful trades were on the Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar, followed by the pound yen, where you made a total of $471.74, which is a total of 111 pips. We round it up to 112. We had 287 pips on the pound US dollar, as we can see. And going forward, all the other pairs, you spread your risk. So this is a very good attempt. If we focus on the two pairs that have given you the maximum gain exposure possible to hit your goal, it was the pound yen and the pound US dollar. So I will recommend strongly you stick to these pairs in the future to give you maximum gain and help you on your journey of reaching 10%. Looking at the monthly analytics, when you joined in May, you were up by 8.88%, and in June you were down by 3.3%, and which is positive growth on either way. So this has shown us your 10%. But looking at the history of trades that you've taken, your lot sizes have varied consistently. But all I can suggest and recommend is you put a stop loss in place and a potential exit take profit mark in place as well, because when you don't have a stop loss in place, you expose yourself to market uncertainty, and that brings potential problems, and at the end of the day you're not in control of the trade no more. And the whole point is to preserve the balance and maintain a steady rate of growth till you hit your 10%. So this unfortunately might put you in violation of that and expose you to further losses if care is not taken, because sometimes we do have unexpected market announcements that even if the risk manager doesn't alert you to close the trade, you might just get stopped out by the system due to a sudden spark in volatility. So having a stop loss in place is very important. So other than that, this is a very great attempt and I wish you the best, and I can challenge you, and I hope to see in the future you can reduce your losses, because we have seen you've maintained a 18% loss rate. If you can reduce your losses even by 2% and increase your gains by an extra 2%, that is a sign of consistent growth, and the more you trade, the more confident you'll be, and always try and control your psychological mindset to give you the edge. So well done on this achievement.